In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and design ebooks that you can sell online. I'm going to show you how to design amazing covers and the insides of the book that will make your product very visually appealing and people will love to buy it. If you want to learn how to build passive income from selling books online, then keep watching this video as I'll explain to you step by step straight after the intro.
My name is Malaba and I'm on a mission to expose the income secrets of some of Africa's online millionaires. I want to become one of them and I want to take you along the journey. If you want to learn how to build an online business which will give you financial freedom, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified every single time I create content just like this designed to help you achieve financial freedom. Let's go.
Now, this is video number 3 of a 4-part series of videos that I've been doing where I'm teaching you about the opportunity of selling books online and creating passive income from that. So if you're interested in watching the other videos, you can check them out right here. The first video, I explain the opportunity and actually show you proof of my own earnings. The second video, I show you how to build your own website and create an automated platform for yourself so that you are making sales whilst you sleep. And this is video number 3 where I'll actually show you how to design the ebook. And then the next video that's going to come out will show you how to actually market the ebook. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 2 ways that you actually can design your ebook. The first one is a paid method. The second one is a free method. Why would you want to use a paid method? Because firstly, it makes it super simple and easy. There are templates that you can just use and you'll be able to design your ebook in a matter of minutes. But if you have got lots of time on your hands, then maybe you want to use the second method. And I'm going to show you both methods right now. And so you know, this is part of what I do for a living in that I train people how to build income online. And I have got a course where I actually teach people how to create a business where they are selling PDF books. If you're interested in actually getting mentoring hands-on, me showing you over my shoulder how I was able to build my own business where I sell books online, you can check out the link in the description below. It's just the one that's written book publishing course. And then you can find out more details about what exactly is in the course. And you can sign up if you're interested. But also make sure that you hit the like button on this video. It helps with the algorithm so that more people will be able to see this video. For now, let me jump straight into my desktop and show you how to do this. Okay, so the first method I'm going to show you is using a tool which is called Designer. And so Designer is basically a tool that you can use to create ebooks as fast as possible. And I'll show you how exactly right now. If you look in the description below, you're going to see a link that you can click on to actually gain access to Designer. Full disclaimer, if you use that link, I am an affiliate of Designer, meaning that if you decide to use Designer, I will get paid a commission, not by you, but by the team from Designer in itself. And why exactly would you want to use my link and not just go to the website? Because if you actually go to the website, you realize that Designer you have to pay every single month, and then the monthly fee is $29, right? So you have to pay $29 every single month. But if you use my link, you have got the opportunity to make a once-off payment and you can buy Designer for $27 only and have lifetime access. In other words, you can use it as many times as you want as compared to having to pay $29 per month. So when you're inside Designer, this is what the interface looks like, and this is how simple and easy it is. If I want to just create a new PDF, all I just have to do is here where it says, come here, it says start a new project, or I click that button there, and then I choose what format, where exactly do I want to extract information from. For example, I can get information from a blog post. Let's say maybe I've already created a blog post. I've created content on a blog and I just want to take that content and make it into PDF. I can just simply enter the URL here and then it's going to automatically extract all that content. But for now, I'm just going to use the example of import from Word document. So I'm just going to click on that and then I'm just going to name this Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. Description, affiliate marketing tips, or whatever you want to call it. Then enter URL or document file, or just simply drag the document there. I'm just going to come to my desktop and just simply drag there. Then as you can see, it says uploading, and then tags just help it to identify. So I can say, for example, this can be something about advertising. This can be something about author. I just choose whatever tags are relevant, so that what's going to happen is that this document is going to be saved on inside Designer. So next time when I want to find it, I can just use these tags to find it simply. So as you can see, there's my document there. Then I just simply click on next. Then great, now let's pick a template. All right, so it gives you some templates that you can choose from, and then you can just simply edit. So, or if I want to maybe like preview, I can just click on preview there, and then it shows me what the template is going to look like. So the main advantage of using Designer is that everything is already set up for you. It's so fast and simple to edit things inside of Designer. So as you can see, this is what I'm going to get. I can maybe just preview another template. Maybe I'll come to this one and say preview, just to show you that these are all different types of templates that are already created, and you can just simply preview them. So this one looks interesting. I will just click on use this template. As you can see, it was saying now we are preparing your document. So as you can see, bang, my document has been already created. So now obviously when you are creating your document, you either want to write it up maybe in a Microsoft Word document, or like I mentioned, you can extract from a website or wherever it is, but you want to make sure that you already know what content is going to be going inside. So now I already have got my book. As you can see, it wrote my name there, Marshall Malaba, affiliate legal notice. I have got a book. Here are the pros. There was the table of contents. As you can see, there are numbers already added there. All I just now have to do is just simply go in here and just edit and make things correct, to make sure that everything is according to what I want. For example, this is an affiliate marketing book. So affiliate marketing blueprint, right? I'm sure you saw what I just did there. I just simply clicked on the text. I deleted the previous text, and then I started writing. Then as you can see, there's this panel that appears here to the left that allows me then to just make all the changes I want. For example, I can align that text to the center. If I want to change the color of the text, I just click there, and then I can just drag to the colors that I want, or I click these buttons right here. And as you can see, it also changes here. So it's really up to me whatever I want. If I want to change the background image, I just click on the image there. And then as you can see, these three dots appear. Cover page content. Then I can click here where there's this image, set cover image. Then I can choose from the different, like if you have, let's say you've been using the software for a while, all the images that you have uploaded before will appear here. Or I can choose to upload from somewhere. Like I just click on upload, and then maybe if I have downloaded it or bought some images somewhere, I can then just take them from there and then use them here as my cover. So like I mentioned, the whole idea with this tool is to get PDFs done as quick as possible. You might be thinking, why would I want to pay for that? Because this is a business model. If you want to create a lot of ebooks as fast as possible, you might just want to have a tool like this that enables you to be able to do it super fast. Here's another thing here, like page footer, some additional text here. I can change that and maybe say, okay, for every page footer, I want people to go to my website, www.yourvarsity.com, right? Just like my t-shirt, bang. There's my footer. I want people to go there. Now notice something. Here it says yourvarsity.com, but if I scroll down to the next part, it says page footer, some additional text here. Does it mean that I have to go and edit every single one of those pages? No. You simply just come here where there are these dots here in the blue. I click on that, and then I come to this option here. I'm not exactly sure what to call that, but it says apply text to all footers. I click on that. And then it's asked me, are you sure you want to do that? I just click on OK. And then automatically what has happened is that all the footers are now changed to whatever I want them to be. The same thing happens, like if you look below here, you can't see it. You just actually have to squint your eyes, but they're actually page numbers here, as you can see. So I can bolden that, and I can come here. Okay, let me do that again. I can highlight that text there and then just make it bold so that it's nice and clear, and then I can change the color and maybe make it black. Click on black there, and then I'm just going to click on choose, right? So that it appears more clear now. I'm sure, as you can see there, now it's appearing there. So I can then click on it again, and then I can click on that, and then come here where it says it will apply text from this footer to all page footers. Are you sure? I click on OK. And what has happened? All the footers have now changed the colors, as you can see. So it's as simple and as easy as that. There isn't much more that I can show you about it, because it's as simple and as easy as that. Let's say that I want to add maybe an image here. I've got some image that I want. I just simply need to just come here where it says images. I click on images. I upload an image that I want to use. Let's say that this is an image that I want to use. And then I just simply bring the image and I drag it and I put it where I want it to appear. Right? As simple and as easy as that. Now I've got an image here. I can choose to play around with it. I can change the positioning. As you can see, it also aligns with the text. So that's how Designer works. It's simple and as easy. And if you want, obviously, if you want more training on how to use this, I actually teach how to use it in the training course, which I mentioned earlier on. And you can find the link to sign up for the training in the description of this video below. Okay, so the second option is called canva.com, and it's a website that you can find just by simply going to canva.com. And this is just basically a website or a tool that you can use to create any type of graphic design work. So you can design your PDF here. If you want to design maybe some banners or anything for a website or whatever, you can use canva.com. And it's got free options and then it's got some paid options. But let me tell you, the free options are good enough. Most people who are doing anything in terms of graphic design on the internet are using the free plan, and I use it a lot myself. So you just simply go to canva.com and then you sign up. It's simple and it's easy. So once you get to canva.com, you just simply, there's an option here which says create a design, and then you just simply choose whatever design you want to do. So you can also come here and just maybe say something like document. And then, well, this is what I recommend that you do. Just type in document there, then say A4 document. And then it's going to open up here, and then you can click on create a blank A4 document. Right? Already here it's showing you some different types of documents that are already in there that are A4. So you just want to click on create a blank A4 document there. And then you just give it a few seconds to load up. Then right here, this is where you add the name. I'm going to say affiliate marketing blueprint. As you can see, it's correcting my spellings there. And then what I will do is that once it's opened here, I'm going to come and click here where it says, where there's a search option. And then I'm just going to search for free ebook templates. Right? Because there are paid templates and then there are free templates that you can use. So now when I scroll here, it's going to show me different templates that have already been created that I can possibly use to create an ebook. So as I keep scrolling down, these are different ones. Some are just the cover, and then other ones have got, like, as you can see here. So I can just maybe, if I like this one, I can click on that. And then I can preview. Can you see? This is what it's going to look like. That's going to be my first cover. And then this is going to be the rest of the pages. I can click on apply all 4 pages. If this is something that I want to use, I'll just click on that option which says apply all 4 pages. And then as you can see right here, this then appears. And now I'm able to come in here and then edit all this. So it's super simple and easy. Let me just zoom in there so that you see how it looks. It's super simple and easy. All I just need to just do is come in here and then change. Affiliate marketing blueprint. Obviously, as you can see, my text is too big. So I just highlight the text. I come here. I can just minimize the text. As you can see, as fast and as easy as that. What I like about this one compared to the previous one that I showed you is that this one is more user-friendly. It's excuse me. It's more user-friendly and easier to just navigate. So I can just change that. Maybe here at the bottom, I'll just write my name. What's my name? Marshall Malaba. Then of course I can change the text size, the font size again. As you can see, I can just click on this one and click on the delete button on my laptop. As you can see, now it's nice and clear. But then obviously now it's hard for the text to be seen. I can just click here where it says elements, and then I can select like a square. I click on the square, automatically it appears there. I can then take that square and then cover everything. So even if you're not a graphic designer, this helps you to design as quick as possible. So as you can see, that's what it looks like now. If I want to change that color, I can just maybe make that black. But why exactly am I doing this? Didn't I want to have a background image? Yes, I want to have a background image. I then can come here where it says transparency, and I can change the transparency. As you can see, the reason why I did that is so that these words in front, they appear more. You can see the image, but you can also see this image at the back. It's called an overlay. So that's what I do. So once I'm done, I'm happy with the first page, I then can go to the next one. And then as you can see, I can change the text again. I can come here, enter whatever text I want. And like I mentioned, this is a more creative way, but the challenge with this method is that it's more labor intensive. So as compared to Designer, which I showed you earlier on, Designer will just create every single page for you. Then you just go in there and just edit. Here you now need to create the pages manually. As you can see here, there are only 4 pages that have been created, meaning that if you want to create a page, like let's say that I want to use this template again, obviously I'm going to come in here and change the images. How do I change an image? I click on the image. I can upload. You see where it says uploads here. I can upload an image here from my desktop. Like here's some images that I've already uploaded. I can click on that one and then I can put it there. I can just change the size. As you can see, it aligns there, nice and easy, as simple as that. If I want to use the same page again for the next page, I just simply come here and I can click on duplicate page, right? As you can see, automatically it appears under that page, but obviously it's in the wrong place because I want it to be after this page, right? So I'll just click on this here where there's an arrow. It says move down. As you can see, it's already moved down. And as you can see, now I have got 5 pages. So I just keep editing and doing that. It's simple and easy. If what I'm explaining is not simple enough for you, there are so many tutorials on YouTube that you can find about this. And then now let's say like I want to save the document. I just click here on download. And then as you can see, there's PDF print, which is suggested, or the other ones, there are other options there, or PDF standard. I'll just leave it on PDF print, high quality multi-page document. Then I just simply click on download, and then it's going to download the document straight to my desktop. So let's just give it a second there to just complete. And then as you can see, there's going to be this pop-up that appears that says that download, right? If you download, didn't start automatically, click here. But as you can see, my download has already happened there. I then can locate the download on my desktop. As you can see, it's opening up there, the PDF, and bang, here's my PDF, it's done. And then now I can start selling this PDF wherever I want to sell it, as quick and as easy and as simple as that. All right, so that's all that I have for you in this video. Please do me a favor and hit the like button below so that it helps me to gain more traction with the algorithm, and it also helps in terms of me letting me know whether this is content that you want to watch. If you didn't like this video, make sure you hit the dislike button. And just as a reminder, there's a full course that I have about this on teaching you how to do book publishing, how to sell PDF books online. You can find out more details about the course by simply going to the description below and clicking the link just to find out all the details you need to know. And if you haven't done so already, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you're notified every single time I create content just like this, designed to help you achieve financial freedom. And you might also be interested in checking out these other videos right here, which will show you other ways of actually building income online. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care.